Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today or tonight, I wanted to do an episode that I had never thought of. But today we're going to be playing with meat again. It's another thing that we like to do on this channel. Birds, turkey bacon. You guys know it. You guys love it. You guys have seen it. Something I've never heard of called beef bacon. Everybody, beef bacon. That's from a cow. Pork, bacon, everybody. This one is cherry wood smoked. I'm gonna cook them one by one and then we'll see how they cook on a sheet. And then I'm gonna have a bunch of bacon in my house. Thanks, guys. Jeff, you're eating your children. Jeff. All right, what's up, everybody? Today I wanted to give you full range coverage. Especially since we're going to be cooking slice by slice today. I've made sure to put you all up on beer tripod. I'm going to be setting my oven to 7, and it goes to 9. But we're going to start off with the classic, guys, something everybody knows. Pork bacon. This is extra thick, dry aged, center cut, extra thick sliced bacon, smoked in cherry wood. This package is nice, you don't even need to cut it. Alrighty, everybody. Check this bacon out, everyone. Look at that. That's regular pork bacon. I'm gonna pull a slice off. This is pre-thawed. Look at that, everybody. Look at it in the light. Like an angel. Alright, everybody, I wanted to take you on this journey together. I did want to show you the tray that we've prepared. This is again all pork bacon. We're going to see how this cooks at 400 degrees for an amount of time. Thank you. Anyway, guys, you already burnt this piece of bacon, so go ahead and take that off the plate real quick. Alright, everybody. Next up, I wanted to try the bacon that I personally it was my favorite for the longest time. Turkey bacon. This is Oscar Mayer turkey bacon. This is some good stuff, folks. Oh, there you have it, folks. A fillet of turkey bacon. Wet. Jeff. They're stiffer and they're thinner. Here you go, everybody. Turkey bacon tray. Pre-oven, of course. My first thoughts immediately were very lunch meat smelling. Turkey bacon tray. Alright, everybody, once again, I wanted you to take this journey with me. Again, this is a size comparison in the light. Let's bring it over. There we have it, folks. Alright, everybody, since I don't normally have any kind of commentary to put in the in-between Jeffrey Epstein files, right? They are eating Selena Gomez's baby, I think, turning babies into cream cheese, eating kids. They own Scholastic, a company that takes your kids' pictures at school. They've done some bad things, guys. Anyways, Jerky. Remember that, guys? Jerky. The Jeffrey Epstein bagel. Cream cheese, beef jerky. There's a guy that makes jerky out of something. Turkey bacon feels like it's cooking quick. Yeah, guys, look at that. You got a nice char on one side. That's just how you'll like it. Alright, guys, you can kind of see there's a foamy layer of fat on this side. I think when you see that, it means it's done. Alright, everybody. Finally, the one I've been most excited for this whole episode. Something I never even heard about until now. Beef bacon, everybody. That's right. Heartland of America. Cows. Beef bacon, guys. Got beef? I do. Holy moly, guys. These things are huge. Presentation wise, beef bacon. Insane. Holy everybody. This thing's huge. We're doing things different on this channel. Wet. I'm actually terrified. Everybody, I'm actually terrified to move this beef bacon over. Alright, everybody. I think this one finally hits the mark. This drapery, like this thing could, look, blackout curtains. Anyways. Of course, I'm taking you all with me on this journey. This one sounds immense, everybody. Oh, look at that. My God. Roast beef, rainbow-esque, everybody. I mean, these are our 3 pieces of bacon. As you can see on the left, we have our just off the pan beef bacon. In the middle, we have turkey bacon. And on the right side, we have regular pork bacon. We will get to the taste test. Okay, everybody. Here are pieces of bacon that I wanted to show you today. I'll start off with the regular bacon. We've all had it. That one was particularly crunchy. Not too burnt, but a little bit up there. Not my favorite, but it's bacon. Out of all the bacons I've had, I'd give that like a 6. Okay, everybody. Turkey bacon. Turkey bacon. Turkey bacon's good, guys. Amazing at breakfast, better at brunch. Honestly, that was better. I'd give that a 7. Beef bacon. This stuff looks crazy. It looks wet. Alright, everybody. This is something I'm a little excited for. I'm going to do a grease test from the pan. So per package, I don't remember. They were all the same. I'm showing you how much grease comes off all of them. Ladies and gentlemen, this is regular bacon grease. I'm going to pull it into my hands. Oh no. It's a hair under a half a cup. I'll show you. See that? The meniscus. Sadly, when it comes to turkey bacon, guys, the turkey bacon is not very fat. It is a pretty lean bacon, so I could not add any juice to our mixture. We're still sitting at just under half a cup. All right, everybody, just in case you couldn't tell what segment this was, we're seeing how much grease the beef bacon gave, which was considerably less than the pork bacon. I'm surprised. We have a more functional way of pouring it in too, so I know it's less. Anyways, let's check this out. That's right, too, everybody. We're making a beef bacon fat mixture. This will be used in future recipes. This is a Rowan's Cooking Channel exclusive. You guys can't make this. I'm sorry. This is the final bacon platter, everybody, so you can get your looks in. We've got regular pork bacon, extra thick cut right there, guys. Solid 6 out of 10. Turkey bacon, 7 out of 10. Beef bacon, guys, this stuff was crazy. You gotta try some of this. It's super rich. I wouldn't have more than a couple pieces, but I am about to have a piece on a sandwich. So 6, 7 out of 10. Thanks, guys.